welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first ever cause box. This is the winter 2021 intro box, so let's just get into what I got. First off, let's see. No, that's not it. Excuse me. First off, the first tier that you can get, there's 3 different items. You could get the from Sizu, the Bundle Up Duo, which is the ribbed beanie and tassel scarf, or the PMD smart cleaning device, the facial brush device, and or the insulated bottle. Well, looks like I got the bottle. That's okay. I mean, it's pretty. It would make a nice gift. Who doesn't want a reusable water bottle? Then, pardon me. Then I have this from Pepper and Vetiver nesting bowls. They're salad, cereal, and dessert bowls. Here's kind of what they look like. They're very pretty. They would make a nice gift. I'll show you. Because I did open them previously, because I recorded this previously, and yeah. I just didn't like the quality of the recording, so. There's 1, 2. Here's the big one. They're really pretty. So, if I don't break them. I'll either keep them or give them as a nice gift, because they are quite pretty. Hold on a second, I want to put this back. Okay. Did I tell you guys what everything retailed for so far? The SWELL water bottle was $35. The bowls were $36. Let's see. The next tier you can pick up from that you could have gotten were from Attitude, the Travel Beauty pillowcases, the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, or the Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Sheets. I got the Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Mats. And those are $18. That's pretty cool. Because you can, it says, use your silicone baking mats to line oven trays. These replace the need to use single-use baking paper or aluminum foil. So that's cool. And there's 2 of them in there. So that was $18 for that. And the next category you can pick from is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. I love that stuff. Or the Alt Cooking Hub Silicone Food Cover Set. I got the silicone lid covers. That has a value of $8. So I'll leave a total of how much the box was worth. This was just the intro box. It wasn't the monthly box. This is just the intro box. I think I paid, I'll put it up here and I'll do the value. So anyway, those are some really nice gifts. I'm probably definitely going to keep the baking mats because those would be usable. And the lids. The water bottle, I'll probably just give that as a gift. The bowls, we can use some new cereal bowls or whatever. Or I could give it as a gift. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like monthly subscription box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click the bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.